I knew on our first date in Alma Cochina. For the hours that we sat at the bar and talked, it felt like everything else faded away. We were the only two people in the world.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.
By the time that we left, I was smitten. I called Michael that night, and I told him that I thought that I found my person. My greatest hope in life is that you would feel the same way.
It is with great honor and privilege that I welcome you to this joyous occasion as we celebrate two dear friends, Matthew Tilley and Sheena Wang, as they engage in holy matrimony. Sheena, Matthew, today we celebrate you, we affirm you, and we bless this union as the two of you become one.
I don't know that there are many couples who can say that Andre Three Stacks brought them together, but I knew things would be different when I first heard you spit out the opening verse of International Players Anthem like you had written it yourself. Standing in the kitchen in my apartment on Krog, back when you and I were still hanging out, it was then that I thought maybe I had found someone who might be my partner. The kind of person who would go with me to a Renoir exhibit in the morning, go eat steak tartare at Maud's for dinner, go dance at a So-So Def reunion concert at night, and then cap the day off with some bagel bites as a late night snack. But the truth is, you have been so much more than that.
It took me a few weeks to tell you the way that I felt, and it took a bit longer for you to tell me. But it was on that day that I committed to pursue you. Today, I promise that I will continue to pursue you every day of our lives. No matter our age, no matter our circumstances, I will strive every day to be worthy of your love.
Loving you has been the easiest thing I've ever done, and I can't wait to one day look back on this amazing life we have and be able to say I spent it with you. I promise to love and care for you the way that you have for me, and show up and fight for us the way that you always have.
My Sheen, you're my person. I love you, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
My Tilly, you are my person. I love you, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Many concerns come up to my mind, but one concern I don't have is how much Matt will love you and cherish you. We are very happy for you, and we trust that you will have a very happy marriage in life.
Where there were two, there is now one. By the power vested in me by the state of California, I pronounce Matthew and Sheena as husband and wife. Matthew, you may kiss your bride.
A couple nights ago, Sheena and I were driving around Palm Springs. Got here a couple days early. We're trying to get relaxed and iron out some details before the wedding. And we've been checking in with each other the past couple weeks, just saying like, "Hey, how you doing? You doing okay? You good? You tracking the right direction?" And we're having one of these conversations, and Sheena said to me, I feel like my heart is so full. I feel like my heart is entirely full. And we talked again tonight, and I think that we found an entirely new capacity for our hearts. And that's because of all of you. So please raise a glass and toast in yourselves. Thank you so much for being here with us. We look forward to celebrating with you tonight. We love you all.
You haven't just made me feel complete. You have made me want to be better and be a better partner for you. You make me a kinder, more patient, more thoughtful person in the way that you love and care for your family and friends, and the way that you have loved and cared for me. You showed up then, and you continue to show up now. You know me better than anyone else, and with you, I know I'm safe to be my whole self.